Pro hit the shelves of Amazon just a few weeks ago. And of course I got my hands on it, have had a little play, and if you want to know what I think about it, stick around. At 219 squids, this watch is not the cheapest smartwatch out there. But for 219 quids, you get quite a package. For 219 quids, I wish I had quite a package. In the box, you get the watch itself. Of course, you get the watch. It's what you're paying for. You also get the charger. You also get an instruction manual. That's it. That's all you get. Ain't no messing about. Now, with respect to the charging cable, Mobvoi brought out their own proprietary system. Of course they have. There's no USB-C. There's no micro USB that plugs straight into the watch. You've got your charging port, standard USB at one end. You've got your dock at the other with 2 alignment prongs, 4 charging pins, and a watch in a pear tree. Let's talk about the watch. That's why you fine YouTube folk have come here. 77 grams in total weight, 45 millimeters in diameter, but it is a staggering 126 millimeters thick. Now, that is thick, I'll give you that, but there is a reason for the thickness. In this 126 millimeter setup are 2 screens. 2 screens, 1 watch, serving the same purpose in enabling you to tell the time, read your steps, but do it in 2 distinctively different ways and enable Mobvoi to claim a battery life of up to 30 days on 1 charge. Let me explain. The first screen embedded deep inside the watch is your main display. 1.4 inches of OLED gloriness, giving you all the colour, the depth, the detail that you would need in a 400 x 400 pixel resolution screen. And for the amount of pixels that it's rocking, it actually looks pretty good. Whether you're reviewing pictures, your apps, the time, your widgets, whatever you're doing, that's all you need. The quirk in this watch comes with the second screen that's layered on top. The LCD monochrome display kind of resembles a throwback to the Casio days, will eke out as much of the 415 milliamp hour battery that's inside this watch and will use it to its full potential. This will take away all of the gumph, the crap that you may not use but will be taking up battery and just give you the essentials. Thus, Mobvoi have called this the essential mode. Genius, I tell you, genius! But granted, most of us are buying a smartwatch to be able to run those striking faces, check your apps, your messages, your notifications, heck, even check the weather. And after a little test that I did, if you were not to use essential mode at all, just use the normal mode, the first screen, you will get a decent 2 days of use on 1 charge. That's pretty decent. So we've talked about the dual screen layered setup. What about the rest of the watch? What do you get for your 219 squids? You get your heart rate sensor, you get your gyroscope, accelerometer, compass. You get your 4.2 Bluetooth, you get your GPS, you get your NFC so that you can use your Google Pay for stuff at the shops using your watch. And you also get 2.4 gigahertz wireless capabilities. Now, when it comes to the operating system, Google Wear is what you'll be using in the TicWatch Pro. It is a little bit outdated. It doesn't support all of the apps, but it is being upgraded later in the year. Mobvoi have given it an IP68 rating, meaning that it gives a certain level of water resistance so that you can use this in the shower, you can work out, it's sweat resistant, you can do what you normally would do with a sports watch. All powered by 512 megabits of RAM, the Snapdragon Wear 2100 processor, and it comes with 4 gig of internal storage. Now, for those of you who know your chipsets will be like the Snapdragon Wear 2100, 2100. Now, I've got to warn you, this chip is a couple of years old. It wasn't great when it first came out, and it's not particularly great right now. One of my biggest bugbears with the watch is that it is using old processing power. Now, there is rumours that the chip is actually going to be upgraded by Qualcomm later in 2018, as well as the operating system Google Wear following suit and being upgraded also. Saying that, the Snapdragon Wear 2100 does do a job. Very rarely have I seen the watch lag, slow down during me wanting to open up an app or check whatever, it seems to be doing a pretty decent job. Can it be quicker and snappier? Yes, sure. Yes, it can. But I'm not nitpicking. 219 quid. Now rewinding and going back to the outside of the watch, you'll see that the watch is of metal construction. Feels pretty sturdy, looks pretty sweet. You've got the black design, fully stealth baller, or you can go with the black with the silver trim. If I'm honest, I tried to get the silver trim, but the buggers had sold out, so I had to go with black. You've got 2 buttons on the right hand side of the face. The top button is your watch face app toggle button. A quick press will get you to the apps, another press will get you back to the watch face no matter where you are in the watch. Holding it down will give you a Google Assistant, which... How useless are you? It's not that great. The second button is fully programmable. You can put this to anything you want. You want to do a running workout, boom, press a button, you got yourself Strava or Google Fit opened up and you can do your running workout straight there from the watch. You want to be able to pay for something using your credit card, boom, press the button, pew, pow, you got yourself your credit card on your wrist. Quick press, boom, there it is, the app that you want. Holding it down, however, will give you a few options, your power, your on off, you reset, you customize that button function, and also this is how you get into your essential mode. If you were to want to switch that on fully, depress the second button, head to essential mode, hit the tick, boom, in essential mode. I'll see you 30 days later when you're charging up your watch again. Mobvoi have come out with another dual layered design, but not with the watch face, more with the watch strap. On the outside, you've got this stylish leather, hey, I'm a watch type strap. However, skin side, you get this very comfortable rubber layer, which does act very much like a sports watch. Being able to be cleaned after that run or cycle or whatever you're doing, it serves 2 purposes. Function and form from the Mobvoi strap. It's got its quick release function at the back as well. Just a little slip means that you can remove and change this strap for whatever strap your heart desires. You want to go crazy luminous yellow, boom, change the strap, you got yourself crazy luminous yellow. But hey, £219, mid-tier price, mid-tier functionality, and if it's a watch that you're looking for primarily with the apps and the associated smartwatch functions on the back end, then this might be the watch for you. I like it, I'm wearing it daily. 219 quid, check the link in the description below. Big G out!